Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. The AI revolution is here, and the ones who act now are the ones who will thrive in 2025 and beyond. Let's dive in. AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore, it's for anyone who's willing to learn and take action. So here are 7 AI-driven strategies to build wealth. Some you've heard of, some will blow your mind. First up, content creation. With tools like ChatGPT and Canva's AI features, you can create high-quality blogs, social media posts, or even full ebooks in a fraction of the time. Here's the kicker: businesses will pay you big bucks to handle this for them. Imagine charging $1,000 per month to run AI-assisted content for just 5 clients. That's $60,000 a year, part-time. Watch out. Don't rely solely on AI outputs. Add your creativity to stand out. Businesses hire you for unique content, not just cookie-cutter text. Next, let's talk e-commerce. Tools like Shopify's AI and inventory management software can automate everything from product listings to customer support. Meet Sarah. She made $100,000 in 6 months by automating her dropshipping store with AI. Her secret? She used AI to identify trending products and even create ads that converted like crazy. Here's my insight. Start with a niche you're passionate about. AI can handle the heavy lifting, but your interest will keep you motivated. Here's where things get exciting. Becoming an AI consultant. Companies are eager to adopt AI but don't know where to start. That's where you come in. Even basic knowledge of AI tools like Jasper for marketing or Zapier for automation can land you gigs. Pro tip: start by offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Charge $50 an hour to start, and once you've built a few case studies, bump that up to $150. Don't overpromise. Stick to tools and strategies you've mastered. The goal is to build trust and long-term relationships. If you've got some coding skills or a good developer friend, creating niche AI tools can be a goldmine. For instance, a fitness coach developed an AI-powered meal planner app that generates personalized diet plans in seconds. Subscription price, $20 a month. With 1,000 subscribers, that's $240,000 a year. Look for underserved niches. Think beyond fitness, like AI tools for writers, teachers, or small businesses. The possibilities are endless. AI art tools like MidJourney are turning creativity into cash. You can design custom prints, logos, or even NFTs. One creator I know sells AI-designed t-shirt prints on Etsy. He's pulling in $8,000 a month. The best part? You don't need to be an artist. These tools do the hard work. You just guide them. Respect intellectual property. Don't use AI to replicate copyrighted work. Focus on creating original designs. Let's talk about another inspiring success story. Meet James. He used ChatGPT to build an AI-powered tutoring platform, offering students instant answers and study plans. In just 1 year, he's scaled his business to over $200,000 in annual revenue. And guess what? He started with zero technical background, just the drive to learn. AI can also supercharge content creation for platforms like YouTube. Use AI tools for script writing, video editing, and even voiceovers. Combine trending topics with AI-assisted production, and you've got a recipe for viral success. Just imagine. Upload weekly videos with minimal effort and rake in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. Focus on solving problems or teaching skills. Those niches get the most loyal followers. Finally, let's talk coaching. Whether it's career advice, fitness, or productivity, AI tools can help you scale your coaching business. For instance, you can use AI to analyze clients' progress and send personalized tips automatically. This saves time and lets you serve more clients without burning out. So, where should you start? Here are my favorite tools for beginners. For content creation, ChatGPT and Jasper. For e-commerce, Shopify and Oberlo. For art, MidJourney or DALL-E. And here's a pro tip. Most of these tools offer free trials. Test them out and see what clicks for you. Want a challenge? Set up your first AI-powered business in 30 days. Start small, test, and refine. You'll be amazed. at what you can achieve. Now it's your turn. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to win big in 2025. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more.